Hello great learners, welcome to my new video. So today you see the beautiful flowers here. Let's stay positive and let's continue with another little tip on effective communication. Yes, so the topic of today is how to disagree with someone agreeably, which means how to disagree without offending anybody. Are you ready? There are different stages we have to go through for this to happen. Okay, so first of all, avoid those phrases that you have learned, that you learned at school with your fantastic English teacher. And those phrases are, for example, I disagree with you, I don't agree with you, I'm in total disagreement with you, or I don't think your idea is good, or I think your idea is bad. Stop all those phrases and change. Now, as a professional, you have to be more diplomatic. Being diplomatic means, first of all, be open to anything. Be a good listener, right? And by the way, my next video on how to be a good listener is coming next, so you will have to stay tuned. So, number one, be a good listener. Show the right posture. Yes, neutralize your face. Okay? No frowning like that. Or no shaking your head. No. Even if you disagree with what the person is telling you, keep it down, your heart, and stay calm, right? Now, if you really disagree, just thank the person for giving the idea by saying, oh, thank you, I very much appreciate the idea. I will get back to you later about that. Can I get back to you later about that? Right? So this is to avoid any conflict. Now, another way is also to sometimes give a little praise, saying, yes, that's interesting. Or I see your point. And you add, if you want to introduce your opinion, you simply can do it very smartly by saying, how about, and you give your idea. Or I was also thinking of, and then you ask them, what do you think, right? So, other phrases could be the following. I see. I would say, and then you give your idea. Or, I see what you mean. Or, I understand. And the other one is to ask them the question. Have you thought of, and then you give your idea, right? So these are the few possibilities you can use during a conversation to show that you don't really agree with the person in front of you, right? So I'll see you in my next video. If you have liked it, remember to give me a like, share it to the world, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet.